In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Todoist project link. This is a really quick and simple process, but knowing exactly where to look can save you a lot of time, especially if you regularly share projects with teammates, clients, or even just between your own devices. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your screen. First, open Todoist and navigate to the specific project whose link you want to copy. This can be any project in your list, a work project, a personal task list, or a shared project. Make sure you actually have that project open so you can see its tasks and details in the main area of the screen. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top of the project view. There, you'll see the project name, and next to it you should find a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This icon usually sits near the upper right corner of the project header. These 3 dots open the options menu for that specific project. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to managing your project. You might see things like editing the project name, changing the color, or archiving it. Among these options, look for the one that says Copy Link to Project. Now, click on Copy Link to Project. The moment you click it, Todoist will automatically copy the direct link to that project to your clipboard. You won't see a big confirmation window, but the link is now ready to be pasted wherever you need it. From here, you can open a message, an email, a document, or a note, and simply paste the link. On most devices, you can paste by right-clicking and choosing Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut, like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. When someone opens this link, it will take them straight to that specific project in Todoist, as long as they have the right access permissions. That's all you need to do. Open the project, click the 3-dot menu, then select Copy Link to Project, and paste it wherever you want to share it. Once you've done it a couple of times, it will become a natural part of your workflow when organizing or sharing your tasks into